How to fix WhatsApp audio problem. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix audio problem on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, let's say that you're trying to call somebody on WhatsApp, you're not being able to hear their audio, or you're not making them able to hear your own audio. So first of all, in order to fix that, we will just go ahead and then open up settings. Once we open up settings, what we will do is on the list of these options, just go ahead and select the one which says apps. As soon as you select apps, what you want to do is you have to go to the option called WhatsApp. So just go ahead and then look for the WhatsApp application. As you find WhatsApp, tap on it, and as you tap on WhatsApp, first of all, I would recommend you to come to Storage tab and then clear the cache. Do not tap on Clear Data because that is going to delete all of your data from the WhatsApp application and also log you out of your account. Once you've done that, come back to the Permissions tab over here, and in order to fix your audio, just go ahead and then select Microphone and then make sure that the permission is set to Allow. Because when it is set to Don't Allow, WhatsApp will not be able to use your mic, and as a result, it will not be able to let you hear other people's audio and not hear your own audio to others as well. And then come back, you might as well also want to allow other permissions such as phones, such as camera, files and media, and so on. And this is how you can fix audio problem on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial video, and see you soon in our next content.